How to get unbanned from Grindr. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Before we proceed, you have to understand that why your account was banned on Grindr. That's because if you have performed any kind of suspicious activities in your Grindr account, such as swiping too much or trying to log in multiple times or crossing any times of limit, you might get banned from Grindr. And there are two types of account banned. They are permanent or temporary. If you have temporary ban on your Grindr account, then that can be fixed by changing your IP address. But if you have a permanent ban, then Grindr will not be able to help you out with that. In that case, you may have to delete your account and then create a new account. Now, to fix the issue, first of all, you can try to switch your device IP address. Try to disconnect from your Wi-Fi network and try to connect to another Wi-Fi network. If that still doesn't help you, then you can switch your Wi-Fi connection with your mobile data. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data and check whether that will help you out or not. If that still doesn't help you, then what you can do is by changing your IP address by using VPN in your device. If you have any kind of VPN installed in your device, simply open up the VPN and try to connect. After that, try to log into your Grindr account and you will be good to go. And that's how you get unbanned from Grindr. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. Then I will see you on next video.